Look at the universe. Stars burn, atoms hold together, and planets form. Physicists notice something strange. The constants of nature sit inside a very narrow range. Change gravity or the strong force, and everything falls apart. This puzzle is called fine-tuning. Consider gravity. If it were slightly stronger, stars would burn out in minutes. Slightly weaker, and no stars would form at all. Only a thin sliver of values gives us long-lived suns, stable orbits, and time for life. The strong nuclear force glues protons and neutrons. Tune it up 2%, and hydrogen cannot exist. Tune it down, and carbon never forms. Without carbon, there is no chemistry, no biology, and no observers to ask the question. So why is our universe set this way? 3 main answers compete: chance, a multiverse, or design. Each answer tries to explain the narrow range without breaking physics or logic. The chance answer says we simply got lucky. One roll of the cosmic dice landed on life. Critics reply that the odds are absurdly small, like winning a lottery with a trillion tickets. The multiverse answer says our universe is one of countless bubbles. Each bubble rolls its own constants. Somewhere, a bubble had to land on life-friendly values, and here we are, inside that lucky one. The design answer says the constants look chosen. A tuner set the dials to allow stars, chemistry, and minds. Critics ask, who tuned the tuner? Supporters reply that a necessary mind needs no tuner at all. Physics measures the dials. Philosophy weighs the answers. Chance, multiverse, and design each carry a cost and a clue. The universe may be tuned, or it may only look tuned. Either way, the question is worth asking.